Okay, so here it, here it has been asked to find the points on the curve 9y square equal to x cube where the normal to the curve makes equal intercepts with the axis. So if we have a curve like this, then the normal to this curve at some point x1 comma y1, that is this, suppose, and this is the x and y axis, then it is told that the intercepts on the x and y axis that should be equal for this normal on the curve. So this normal should make equal intercepts on the x axis and y axis. So now first we have to find the equation of the normal. So for that we have to find the slope of the normal. So slope of the normal, as we know, at any point, that is equal to -1 by slope of the tangent at any point on the curve. Since why? Since the normal at any point, that is always perpendicular to the tangent at any point on the curve. So now therefore, if we take the derivative with respect to x on both sides, then we will get d by dx of 9y square, that is equal to d by dx of x cube. So therefore 9 into 2y into dy by dx, that will be equal to 3y square. So 3 3s are 9. So this is 3x square. 3x square. So then dy by dx will be equal to x square by 6y. X square by 6y. Yeah. So now therefore at the point x1 comma y1, the slope of the tangent is given as dy by dx at the point x1 comma y1. So that will be equal to x1 square by 6y1. Now therefore the slope of the normal that will be equal to -1 by this, -1 by slope of the tangent, which will be -1 by x1 square by 6y1. So that will be -6y1 by x1 square. So therefore we can say that the equation of the normal to the curve, at the point x1 comma y1 is given as y minus y1, that is equal to the slope, which is -6y1 by x1 square m into x minus x1. Now therefore that will be x1 square y minus x1 square y1, that is equal to -6y1 x plus 6y1 x1. So therefore this will be 6y1 x plus x1 square y, that is equal to x1 square y1 plus 6x1 y1. So if we divide by x1 square y1, okay, so therefore this will be x by x1 square y1 plus 6x1 y1 by 6y1 plus this is y by x1 square y1 plus 6x1 y1 by x1 square, that is equal to 1. So therefore these two are the, so this one is the x-intercept. Therefore for the normal, the x-intercept is X-intercept is x1 square y1 plus 6x1 y1 by 6 y1. And the y-intercept, that is given as x1 square y1 plus 6x1 y1 by x1 square. So this two should be equal. It is told that it makes equal intercepts on the axis. It means x1 square y1 plus 6x1 y1 by 6 y1, that should be equal to x1 square y1 plus 6x1 y1 by x1 square. So therefore this will be, so if we cross multiply, then we will get x1 power 4 y1 plus 6x1 cube y1, that is equal to 6x1 square y1 square plus 36 x1 y1 square. And then here we can tell x cube x1 cube, that is equal to 9 y1 square. X1 cube, that is equal to 9 y1 square. So therefore from here we are getting x1 power 4 y1 plus 6 x1 cube y1, that is equal to 6 x1 square y1 square plus 36 x1 y1 square. And y1 square, that is equal to, and that is 9 y1 square, that is equal to x1 cube. Since x1 comma y1 lies on the curve, so it should satisfy the equation of the curve. Therefore this x1 cube, I can write 9 y1 square into x1 into y1 plus this 6 x1 cube, I can write it as 9 y1 square, or this I can write 6 x1 cube y1, and this y1 square 9 y1 square, that I can write x1 cube by 9 plus this is 36 x1 into this y1 square, I can write it as x1 cube by 9 y1 square is x1 cube by 9. Okay. So this is 9x1 y1 cube plus 6x1 cube y1, that is equal to actually from here we can say that y1 square is x1 cube by 9 from these two x1 cube y1 I can take as common. This will be x1 plus 6. And here also 6x1 y1 square, if I take as common, this will be x1 plus 6. So x1 plus 6, I can tell, into x1 cube y1 minus 6x1 y1 square, that is equal to 0. So it means that from here x1 y1 I can take as common, then this will be x1 plus 6 to x1 square minus 6 y1 square. No, 6 y1, that is equal to 0. So it means that either x1 into y1 that is equal to 0, or x1 that is equal to 6, or x1 square that is equal to 6 y1. X1 that is equal to minus 6. Okay. So x1 into y1 should not be 0 here. From all the options, we can see x1 into y1 is not 0 and x1 is not minus 6 also. So it means that this should be applicable. X1 square should be equal to 6y1. Therefore, x1 square equal to 6y1 means that y1 is equal to x1 square by 6. Therefore, y1 square that is equal to x1 cube by 9. From here we can get. So it means that y1 square that is x1 cube by 9 that is equal to y1 square which is x1 square by 6 whole square. So it means that x1 cube by 9 that is equal to x1 power 4 by 36. So 4 9 are 36. So therefore x1 power 4 minus 4x1 cube that is equal to 0. So x1 cube into x1 minus 4 that is equal to 0 means x1 is not 0, it means that x1 should be equal to 4. So therefore 9y1 square that is equal to x1 cube. Therefore 9y1 square that is equal to 4 cube. It means that 9y1 square that is equal to 4 for the 16, 16 for the 64. So therefore y1 square that is equal to 64 by 9. Therefore y1 equal to plus or minus 8 by 3. Therefore the required points on the curve are, therefore the required points on the given curve, at which the normal makes equal intercepts on the axis, at which the normal, at which the normal makes equal intercepts on the axis, are x1 is 4 comma plus or minus 8 by 3. 4 comma plus or minus 8 by 3. So that is option A. So option A is the correct answer. Thank you.